This is Gautam Gaur. Welcome to my channel. Today I am share some job update with you. Before that, please like this video, share this video with your friend, and subscribe my channel. And if you need job update, please join my Telegram group. This link I will paste in description box. Join it. Let's discuss our first job. Our first job is political analyst. This is the location is Indore, Madhya Pradesh, and salary is 15k to 25k per month. And this is full-time opportunity and and experience need 1 year. This is your requirement and all. And how to apply this job? You have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst manager. This is hiring for Noida, Uttar Pradesh location and salary is 15k to 1.25L per month. This is also full-time opportunity and morning shift and experience need 4 year of experience you have need and this is your job description you can read here and after that you have apply you have click here apply now and you fill all the detail. Our next job is consumer insight data analyst. Salary is 20 LPA to 25 LPA per year and job location is Mumbai, Maharashtra. Total work experience 1 year of experience need and job responsibility and role is here you can see and a skill required like Google Analytics, Data Studio, Google Ads, MS Excel, BigQuery and Power BI you have need. And how to apply the job? You have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is research analyst and location is Mumbai, Maharashtra. Salary is not mentioned here. And this is your job description. You can read here, and after that you have apply according to your experience and skill set. Our next job is senior and research analyst. This is for Mumbai, Maharashtra location, and salary is 10 LPA to 11 LPA per year. This is also full time opportunity and experience need 5 year of experience you have need. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the details. Our next job is research analyst. This is for Pune, Maharashtra location and salary is 2 LPA to 5 LPA per year. This is full time opportunity uh, for uh, for experienced person and this is your job description and all. And how to apply the job? You click here apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for Gurgaon location and salary is 16k to 25k per month. This is also full time opportunity and this is your job description and how to apply the job. You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is junior data analyst for Gurgaon Haryana location too and salary is 2 LPA to 2.5 LPA per year. This is full time opportunity and temporary basis also. Work is Monday to Friday and a fresher or 1 year of experience you have then you have applied you are eligible for this job. How to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for Chennai Tamil Nadu location and salary is 3.24 LPA to 7.2 LPA per year. This is full time opportunity and time is work day is Monday to Friday. uh, this is your responsibility and this is a requirement like Python or Excel, MATLAB, Raspberry Pi. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is Power BI developer for Surat, Gujarat location and salary is 5 LPA to 10 LPA per year. This is full time opportunity and how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is monitoring analyst. This is for Bengaluru, Karnataka location, and salary is not mentioned here. And shift is flexible shift means rotation shift. And this is your roles and responsibility and all. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Thank you everyone.